tax refund update. In today's video, we have the latest numbers on your tax refund approves. We have all of the contact information and the reasons why you are still waiting on your 2024 tax refund. We have the next direct deposit date shared and much more. So make sure you stay tuned and welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another IRS update. Let's get started with the numbers updated April 19. Total returns received so far 139,137,000. Total returns processed 136,069,000. And total number of refunds 86,058,000. Total amount refunded in dollars $245 billion. In tax refunds approved. Please share with us in the comments if you were included in that $245 billion. Now, processing of tax forms. Individual returns, electronically filed Form 1040 returns are generally processed within 21 days unless there are issues, and we will go over those issues in just a moment. The IRS is reporting that they are currently processing paper returns Form 1040s received March of 2024 and amended received January of 2024, and that does not include those that require correction. Form 1041 received original February of 2024 and amended received December of 2023. Now, letters and notices, they are currently processing your mail correspondence received January of 2024. That means there is a backlog in mail correspondence. So if you had to provide additional information to the IRS, that is why you are still waiting. They are still processing those correspondence from January. Now, in terms of those amended returns, the current processing time is 20 weeks for both paper and electronically filed amended tax returns. You can check the status of your amended tax return on the Where is My Amended Return tool on irs.gov. An amended tax return must include all necessary forms and schedules that you file or submitted with your original tax return. So if you did not do that and you're still waiting on your amended tax return, that may be the reason for the delay. You can check the status of your amended tax return 3 weeks after filing. Now, if you have been waiting more than 20 weeks for your amended returns, here are some of the reasons why it may be delayed. It has errors, it is incomplete, it is not signed, it's returned to you requesting additional information. Make sure you provide that information as soon as possible. It includes Form 8379 injured spouse allocation, or is affected by identity theft or fraud. Delays in processing for your amended returns may also be due to routing to a specialized area. Clearance by the bankruptcy area within the IRS is needed. Review and approval by a revenue officer is needed. And finally, review of an appeal or a requested reconsideration of an IRS decision is needed. For those regular tax returns, they may be delayed beyond the normal 21 days because it was sent by mail, contains errors, or is incomplete, needs further review in general, is affected by identity theft or fraud, was referred to the IRS by the bank due to suspicious activity, or it includes a claim for the Earned Income Tax Credit or the Additional Child Tax Credit. It includes Form 8379, Injured Spouse Allocation, which can take up to 14 weeks. You can check the status of your delayed regular tax refunds by calling the Refund Hotline at 1-800-829-1954. The amended Refund Hotline is 866-464-2050. You can get help with your delayed tax refund if you have been waiting since January, February, early March. Call the Taxpayer Advocate Service. They can get information that you may not be able to get from the IRS because they work directly with the Internal Revenue Service. They can also help you if you are experiencing a financial hardship. Call the Taxpayer Advocate Service at 1-877-777-4778. You can also call the IRS directly by calling 1-800-829-1040, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. local time. Call volumes, it states here, are higher on Mondays and Tuesdays. You can also schedule an in-person appointment if you're not getting any assistance by phone through the Taxpayer Advocate Service. Try scheduling an appointment by calling 844-545-5640. You can also walk in on Saturday. Make sure you check out the video. It will be pinned in the comment section as well as in the description box. The next direct deposit date shared is May 1st, 2024. Make sure to share with us in the comments if you did receive a direct deposit date. And remember, if you do not receive your 2024 tax refund on that particular day, you must give your financial institution until May 6th, another 5 days. You can also check with them to see if there is any pending issues with your tax refund being deposited. Now, you can also contact your local state representative if you have been waiting again since January, February, March. Contact your state representative by going to house.gov, type in your zip code, and find out who your local state representative is. All right. And that brings us to the end of this week's IRS Tax Refund 2024 update and breaking news. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more.